I really do like these ones, man. Yes, sir. I like these ones, man. I really do like these ones, man. Wow. What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. Today we are reviewing the 1985 Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG Pollens. Let me tell y'all something about that. I had allergies so bad the last couple of years that whenever Yeezy come out with Inflamed or now Jordan 1 with the Pollen, I just hate talking about the shoe. I'm just being honest, man. Allergies get in your nose, you can't smell, it's terrible. But these Pollen joints right here is fire, in my opinion. Even the box, man, like, you know we love presentation over here at Sneaker Notes, and this box is fire, man. The yellow with the black. I just wish they did this with every sneaker, like I've been saying. And if you watch the video, you know I've been saying that. Shattered backboard should have always been orange and black. UNC joint should have always been white and blue. It's just something they should have did. They pick and choose when to do it. The Midnight Navy Japan joints was silver. Very dope because the swoosh was silver on that sneaker. Very dope. But speaking of yellow and black Jordan 1s, believe it or not, this is not the first one we got. I remember a year ago, maybe 2 years ago, maybe 2.5 years ago, Jordan brand came out with the best hands in the pack, and the yellow Ochres was in there. It was only overseas, and I still ain't get to un-DS these joints. But as you see the inside, got the cards and all that stuff in there. Yeah, so comparing it to the Pollen joints, I don't know, man. I like how the Pollen has more of the black in it. But these yellow Ochre joints not only were hard to get, man, they just stand the test of time. But back to the Pollens. So as you can see, Jordan brand gave us two different shoe strings, the black and the white. But honestly, I like the yellow. If I'm going to do one, it may be the black, but the yellow does the job already. Let's get a full 360. Sneakers is hard, man. Screams Wu-Tang at you, like totally. I love the color blocking here. I love the black in the inside with the yellow swoosh on the outside. No tumbleness really. Oh no, it is. There's a lot of tumbleness in there. Get y'all to get that. A lot of tumbleness. It's hard to kind of see the tumbleness because of the black color blocking, but it's tumble, guys. Got your yellow swoosh there. Come around the back. I mean, if you've seen one Jordan 1, you've seen them all. It's the color blocking that does the magic for us. And the Pollen played it perfect with the color blocking. I wonder if they wanted to call these Wu-Tang, but just, you know, couldn't get the copyright or didn't want to pay for it. Nike on the tongue. It's in yellow, black, and white. Also, insoles, yellow and black. And the bottom of the sneakers, all yellow. I mean, presentation-wise, color-wise, color blocking-wise, these are one of my favorite Jordan 1s, guys, of the year. One of them. I mean, we already know turbo joints, hyper joints. Those might win Jordan 1 of the year. But these is a sleeper for me, man. Let me know in the comment section below how y'all feel about these. I seen a lot of bumblebee emojis and all that, man. These sneakers are very dope, man. Underrated but dope. You know, they didn't have any hype around them. They just popped up. But I like these. I feel like when the Jordan 4 Lightning or Thunder, whatever those joints is, come out in a couple of weeks, you'll see people start pairing them together more as they did with the Jordan 4s and the University Blues a couple of weeks ago, right? These came out maybe 2 months ago. Yeah, so you seen the Jordan 4s come out with these, people was pairing them. So once the Jordan 4s come out with these, people will start pairing them a little more. So yeah, man, I'm your boy Cinos. Thanks for checking me out. If you haven't, hit subscribe, man. These are the Jordan 1 Pollen joints. Dope. Resale right now is like $250, $240. You know how Jordan 1s is. Either they're going to start high or they're going to get high eventually. So you got to kind of know how you feel about the sneaker, how if you really want it, what you want to do. Travis Scott's, I don't know. I don't even like Jordan 1 lows, and I'm stressed that I might have to pay $1,500 for them sneakers. You know, I got every Travis Scott, so it's like I want to complete the collection, but $1,500 for a low that I don't even wear lows is, I don't want to get on the rant, man. I'm your boy Cinos. Thanks for checking me out, man. If you haven't, hit subscribe. Everybody, get rich.